It's not stiff. Hair in my eye. In my mouth. In my eye. It's not stiff, but it moves. Look at that bang. Y'all see it? Hi gorgeous, Elijah Alex here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, my name is Elijah Alex, makeup artist, beauty influencer, and all-around personality. But if you're returning to my channel, what's up? Welcome back, gorgie. In today's video, we are going to get into something super cool, super special. Today, I'm going to do a full face of makeup. That's why my face is pretty much bare face. I don't have anything on my face besides mascara and my eyelashes. We're going to do a full face of makeup using only Morphe products. If you guys know, I'm a Morphe babe. I'm 100% stan of Morphe. And I also have a Morphe code with them that I'll link down below so you guys can use and get some money off your order. But today I'm just gonna show you the many ways of, how I use my Morphe makeup. Before this video starts, if you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button below so you can be a part of the Gorgie Nation, and also give this video a big thumbs up. But without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so I already went ahead and primed my lid with my eyeshadow primer. I don't have Morphe eyeshadow primer. I use the P. Louise primer, but they are a third-party brand that is sold at Morphe stores and on Morphe.com. So we're gonna use it. I'm gonna use the palette that nobody really talks about anymore. It is the 3503 palette. This one's like really like fiery kind of colors and kind of shades. I'm like moving it all around like this. It's kind of fiery and kind of colory. Colory? Is that a word? Maybe. We just made it a word. Colory. That's the new word for the day. But like, it's really fiery. Nobody really talks about it. So I was like, let me go ahead and use this one and then kind of just like play around in it. It always has these like shade clear plastic. Ooh, that sounds good. I think I'm gonna take like my lightest to darkest first. And I'm gonna take that on a 506 brush. These are like my fave brushes to use. And just kind of pack it in here. Now, as we get into our conversation, and I'm just gonna kind of bring it in here, like that. Morphe has definitely been like my favorite brand since I began my career as a makeup artist and a beauty influencer. What kind of really drawed me to the brand was the artistry of it all, honestly. And like, I used to like literally look on the website when I was younger and just like map out what I wanted. And I was like, I want this, I want that, and I want this kit, and I want that kit. And I used to always do that because I was just so like astounded by the brand and like everything they had to offer. Like, because I wasn't really familiar with makeup brands back then. That's pretty. Okay, that's pretty. We're gonna spike it out like that. I wasn't pretty familiar with makeup brands back then, so I don't really know like what I'll like or what I don't like. I just knew I liked artistry. I knew I liked being creative. But Morphe has just been that girl for me. The girls always said what it was supposed to give. Morphe just always gives it to me, honestly. They're always reinventing itself and always coming out with something brand new and super cute. If you guys have been in the stores, because I know stores are like limited right now, but like they're on the come up. Like there's one in Orlando that I usually always go to. The stores are super aesthetically pleasing. They're super nice. All the employees are super helpful, super nice. It's a vibe, honestly. Ooh, okay, that's pretty. That fiery, it's like a fiery kind of thing. All right, so I went ahead off camera and kind of just cut my crease because I was trying to figure out what shape I was going for. I'm just gonna kind of keep it open, I guess. I don't want to close off my eye too much today. And just taking that shade that we took earlier and putting that at the ends and just kind of smoking out this ends. I wanted this look to be like really fiery, but in the end, this is more like of a like what I would wear if I was working at Morphe kind of look. And then, you know, I have my Morphe face mask that we're gonna put on once the look is finished, so we can complete a shade and fluffing it on this 456 brush. I'm gonna take that orange that we took earlier, and I think I'm gonna place it right here. I do have a discount code with Morphe. You guys always see me place it in my videos. It's GlamFam598. You guys can use that. You get $5 off of a purchase of $10. So like you can literally buy like a $12 eyeshadow palette. I can't speak. It's hard. You can literally buy a $12 eyeshadow palette and get $5 off of that. Like what? Why would you not want that? That's so awesome. That's pretty. Word! Yes! Lip. So that's pretty much the finishing eye for this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, finish the other eye, and then come back so we can get into the full face magic. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes. These are the lashes Glambassador from Morphe. Morphe does sell lashes as well. I also did my concealer and also my contour. I'm like underpainting right now. That's what I do before I do my base. So I use the Dimension Effect Sticks in Effect 18. That's my shade. So if you're a neutral undertone, that's definitely, you could try that out. And I'm also gonna go ahead and start doing my foundation. I have two different foundations from Morphe, the 411 and the 480. Oh, I love this brush because it's so light-handed. You really don't need, I don't know what this notion is that you need foundation all over your face to have full coverage. You really don't. Like, the only place you need foundation is right here. Your forehead, you barely need foundation in, and everywhere else, this is contoured, this is highlighted, like everywhere else you don't need that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my whole face with this Luminous setting spray from Morphe just so I can prepare my face for some powders. This is a really good Luminous setting spray. Definitely if you love like dewy looks. Me personally, I don't do dewy looks unless if like something in me would have to wake up that day and be like, I'm choosing dewy today and I'm choosing drama. Like the springtime, the summertime look for that nice glowy look, and it also smells like coconut, so what? Powders, because Morphe has setting powders too. I'm in Translucent Rich and also Banana, so we're gonna go ahead and set my under eyes because yeah. Yeah, girl. And I'm just gonna take both bronzers. I do light bronzer first before I do dark bronzer, which is the second bronzer in this palette, because that's my contouring bronzer. I only use bronzer to really contour now. Pretty much it. So bronzing up my face. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and popped on a lip and also did my eyebrows with the new Morphe eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade Java. And I also did my lip with the lip gloss from the Madison Beer collection that they did, Venus and Liquid Lip. What is this? This is Liquid Lip Vanity, and then also the collection they did. This is Mannequin. So, you think the look is done, but it's really not. It would not be an Elijah Alex look if we did not add no artistry to it. You already know! I'm gonna go ahead and draw the Morphe logo. I think I'm gonna draw the Morphe logo on, I'm gonna draw it on my cheek or my eyebrow. I think I'm gonna draw it on one of my eyebrows. All right, so I have the Morphe logo mapped out on this eye. So I'm gonna take my Morphe eyeliner. This is a gel liner in Stargazer. And then I'm also going to use the Morphe liquid liner as well, the felt tip liner. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much the ending look, but one more thing, adding our continuous Morphe setting spray. Ooh, ooh, I scratched myself, thank you. And that's pretty much the end and finishing look. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was so much fun to do. I'm like hot, because where I scratched myself just now. I'm like so like, oh my gosh, this is so stunning. This is so cute. I'm so happy that I did this video and showed you guys how pretty much most of the Morphe products that I have work and how I use them. I definitely hope you guys got something out of this video and learned something out of this video on how to use different products and find your own way around them, or use my tips that I've given you. I am just like, this video was so much fun to do! But that's pretty much the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for sitting down with me and watching me create this amazing Morphe full face look. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And on your way out, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button so you can be a part of the Gorgie Nation. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a brand new YouTube video. You can follow me on all my social media platforms at Elijah Alex with 2 X's at the end of them, and also on Snapchat at ElijahAlex1. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to become the artist. Bye!